Hello friends, it's me Rhoda Snyder, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to bake a cake without using an oven or a microwave. Just a normal jiko kwa kizungu yaitwaje? Oh, you'll see it towards the end of the video. So we are going to need 4 eggs, and the cake we are baking is called pinacollada because I'm going to add pineapple essence, and since I don't have the chocolate essence or the cocoa essence, I'll just use the normal drinking powder. So we start by breaking 4 eggs, then we add 1 cup of sugar. If you don't like too much sugar, then you can just use 3/4 cup of sugar. Then we add 1 cup of cooking oil and 1 cup of milk, then whisk them together. Ensure that it's all mixed up. And here's my pineapple essence. We are going to add 1 teaspoon and continue whisking. And in a different bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of baking flour. I'm not using atta, as you can see. I'm just using the all-purpose flour. Then you add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, then you mix. Now on your previous bowl, we are going to add the powder slowly, then mix. You can use a whisk because it does it much faster and easier, but I'm just using a spoon because that's what I have at this point. Add the powder bit by bit. The flour mix, add it bit by bit and continue whisking until you have a smooth paste like this one. Now that's our cake mix. Divide it into 2 bowls, and in one of the bowls we are going to add drinking chocolate. And if you have the cocoa or the chocolate essence, then you can add to this bowl, the one I'm adding the chocolate powder into. Mix it until all the powder is well mixed, until it forms such a smooth mixture, Now I'm using my sufuria. As you can see, I've put some oil. Brush it around the sufuria so that it doesn't get stuck. I'm starting with the plain one. With the plain, then the chocolate, the plain, then the chocolate, to give it such a nice, you'll see the end product how it looks. You don't have to do this exact process when putting it in your sufuria or your cooking pot, but this is just an idea. You can still use it and you'll see how it comes out. This is how it looks. So hapa ndio jiko langu, ama hii ndio jiko yangu, whatever it's called, I don't know. So all the coal are red. We take out the coal, put it on the lid of the pot or the sufuria, and make sure all of the coal, yani makaa yote, don't leave any charcoal on the jiko, because if you do so, the cake will start burning from below before it gets before it's totally done. So after this process is done, you can put it on your jiko. Since the jiko is already hot, utaiekelea tu sufuria and the heat will cook the cake from below and the coal will cook it from the top, and leave it for about 1 hour. Depends on the kind of charcoal you are using. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you've liked the video, hit the like button, share with your friends, comment, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell. Here my cake is ready after about an hour, and there is how it looks because of how I was pouring the chocolate and the plain one. Thank you so much for watching once more, and here is a piece for me. Just bake yours and tag me. Let me see what it looks like. Bye.